KW's Outdoor Adventures, y'all. Today we're doing something that a lot of people don't do and don't see why people do it, but I don't do it, I'm sorry. But today we're sinking some brush piles. Got the chainsaw, machete, and some weight bags, y'all. Got a couple spots that I've brushed before that I'm probably gonna add some stuff to, and a couple spots I'm gonna make new, you know. I got a couple piles out in front of me. I'm not gonna show too much of the lake because it's nobody's business where they at but mine. But let's get this thing rolling. Let's find out where we're gonna drop these marker buoys at. Then we're gonna go get some wood, get it under the water for one day. One day this summer we can come out here and really catch some fish. So those days of success starts right now. There it is, right there, right behind the boat. Just toss that marker buoy on it. That's one spot down. We'll add some more love, we'll add some more life to that spot, y'all. Real thin. I dropped that last year. Just one piece of brush. Got that old gas station gassed up. Let's see if we get in here and run over some stuff, y'all. Shallower than that. We up in here, y'all. Look, willows are one of my favorites, y'all. One of my favorites. And I've always heard you gotta have the green stuff to sink. Well, just sink what you can. Just sink what you can, and don't get in trouble because of me. I'm in Louisiana. All this is public water, so I'm legally allowed to do all this on this body of water. So check your local rules and regulations before you come out here and do this. But this is a surefire way that you're gonna catch fish all summer long. Those days of holding fish in the summer starts right now. Just filled this boat up, y'all. Make you a little trail. Get everything on one side. I don't mind it. I know how nice it can be. Make sure the impeller stay clean, y'all. Make sure everything keep on pissing. All right, y'all. So as you know, this is a mess, but I'm gonna do my best. lot of people say that you need jugs and whatnot on brush piles. Well, I don't do that because I don't want them standing straight up anyway. I want them laying on the bottom. I mean, personal preference. You do it the way you want to do it. I'll do it the way I want to do it, and we'll all catch fish. But I don't do the jugs on the side. I weigh mine down. About halfway through the tree, and that's what. And I just sink them on their side. But they gonna want to stand up. Then they'll waterlog out, and then they'll lay on their side. So I'm just gonna take this paracord, tie me a real good knot on this bag, and get it tied to this tree and get the junk out my boat. You know, that ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna take 2 of these, tied about halfway down. Tying it about halfway down. And I want it to basically sit about a foot off the bottom. I mean, it's, like I said, it's gonna float, and eventually it's gonna water loud and sink. But it'll be a knot on the bottom. One, 2, 3. All right. These fowls out. Ugh. Oh man, I just sunk that one. The boat come by. It's all good. All right, we on our second spot. Maybe I can show y'all a little better. I suck at recording and doing stuff, but we ain't got as much stuff in the boat right now. All I did, take me a short piece of paracord. Perfect. Take me a short piece of paracord and cut it. Just tie me a, I don't know, I forget the name of it. Basically just a hanger's knot or a slip knot. Then I take the bag, choke it to the top. Make sure it ain't coming off. And I come down about right below where the bushiest part is. Wrap it, cinch it. And I just tie a basic knot, because it ain't going nowhere. And I will just tie my slack again, just to make sure. But it ain't nothing special, nothing fancy, no method to the madness, y'all. Get everything clear. Let it go. To the bottom she go. She's gonna waterlog and lay down. She's standing up now. So she's gonna waterlog and lay down. Alright. all over where I dropped it, y'all. Show y'all what it looked like. I wish it wasn't on auto because it's gonna jump. There it is. There she goes. Pause. Mark. Back. All right. On to the next, y'all. All right. You're gonna out over this other pile I just dropped. Let's see what it looks like. So I can mark it on my back grab also. There it is, standing straight up, right up off the bottom. Pause, mark, back.
Right there. No trees, big trees. Alright.
Loop top. Cinch it down. Then I'm gonna wrap it through a couple times to keep it from pulling out. Wrap it back through again. Push it through. That way the buoyancy that it creates will cause pressure. Hip it stay. I doubt if it pulls out. Then I got a piece of short string left. I'm gonna tie it to a bag. Another little hangman knot. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. Cinch this bad boy on this. Cinch this boy on this sandbag right here. And I'm gonna tie it in. So I'm gonna hang that bag right there off the side. So when I get to where I'm going, move that graph out the way. We'll just pick everything up, and theoretically it should just shoot out the boat. Almost there. I have my brush about 5 yards to the side of my buoy. That way I ain't gotta get it tangled up in my buoy. I've learned that the hard way. So about right here, let it go. She gone, y'all. They're sitting right on top of each other. Sitting right on top of each other.
Alright. I'm gonna cut this big to the big tree. The last of the big tree. I'm gonna go cut some more. Get some more line. Try to line. Regular knot. Wrap it through one more time. Go all the way down. Well, I got bricks in these bags. I don't have no sandbags. I got sandbag bags. I ordered off Amazon. And they work. They don't work, you know. Better than having to go buy stuff. Riding around looking for stuff to sink. I just put the crazy stuff in your boat on your lake. Bricks and sandbags. Alright. We're right here. Pretty close to my other spot. Within 10 yards.
When your weight gone, everything go pretty good. Let's see. What you gonna do? I'll tell you what, that sunk a little too slow for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it up. It's got a little too much buoyancy in it. Got a little too much buoyancy. I'm gonna add another bag to the top. That joke is allowed to float down the lake. So I'm gonna add me another bag to the top. I'm selling for that, y'all. I ain't gonna fight with it. Ooh, what a job. First one I drop. There's the second one. Lay on this side. Won't be long, y'all. I'll be holding fish. All right. Let's get another one.
This one's gonna probably take 2 sandbags. I want them to stay where I put them. So, try 2 sandbags for this one. I'll do it simple. Come here. About halfway out. Wrap them back on themselves. Alright. Like so. That favorite little knot of mine. Alright. 2, 4, 6 tight. Same little knot. 1, 2, 3. Through the hole you just made. Boom. 96 on. Hold out in there.
Out the way. Bag 1. Bag 2. Tilt your brush out. She gone. Y'all forgive me about this outro, but y'all stick around, stay tuned all summer, man. It's gonna be a great year. I can feel it. So back on those brush piles, y'all. It's just easy insurance that you're gonna catch some fish. You might not catch them every time, but eventually them fish are gonna move in and you're gonna catch something off of it. So y'all get out there and sink y'all some brush piles. Stay aware of y'all local rules and regulations, and y'all catch some fish. Peace.